Good evening, everybody. It's Dr. Ray back in the garden. You know, this is what I do. I just love this gardening so I can get out, and at this time in particular, it's March of 2020, got this awful COVID-19 all around us. But oh my, if we got to do something, let's do some gardening. And here's a fabulous plant to put in our garden. This is Brunnera, otherwise known as false forget-me-not, because the flowers, as you can see, look like forget-me-not flowers. This one's called Sea Heart, and it's beautiful. Look at that foliage. So it's good. It comes out early in the spring. It's going to have flowers maybe even before the foliage, but about the same time, and then it looks good all season. Tolerates shade, an easy plant to grow. So let's get some. Let's take a deep breath and let's go gardening.